Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your signature to your notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now click on the one of your notes, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon at the top. Click on the plus icon at the top of the screen and scroll down until you find the signature option. Here you should select whether you want to draw it. Select an image from your gallery, for example, of your signature, or just simply type it in and then select a signature type or a font, and then you can edit here, as you can see. But you can also add your original signature by selecting the font color here, or the color, the text color, and then start typing or drawing your signature. If you want to start it over, click on the clear signature and then draw it again. Then tap on the add button at the top of the screen and you are free to position it within your screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.